Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn off the Vanish mode on Instagram. So, let's get started. First of all, let's go to the Instagram application. Tap on the Instagram app icon to open it. From the home page, tap on the top right corner to open messages. If you find this dotted circle on any chat, that means Vanish mode is on. To turn it off, open that specific chat. You can see the current background is black, which means Vanish mode is open. All your seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. If you want to turn it off, simply tap on the name at the top, then open Privacy and Safety. And here is the Vanish mode option that is already on. Simply toggle off this option. Go back to the chat. You can see how it has been turned off. There is another method that is very simple and easy. Simply take your finger tap on the screen and swipe up, and the Vanish mode is on. To turn it off, again tap and hold and swipe up, and you can see the Vanish mode is turned off. This is the simplest and easiest way to do this. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.